What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to lock SIM card on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on fingerprint, face data and screen lock. Now here click on privacy and then scroll down and click on more security settings. Now here in SIM lock section, tap on your SIM card name and then you will see a lock SIM button. So tap on this button to turn it on and then set a password for your SIM. So enter the password and after entering the password, tap on OK and then enter the same password again to confirm, and after that your SIM card will be locked. So that's how you can lock SIM card on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.